ChatGPT and Google Bard are both large language models, LLMs, that can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. However, there are some key differences between the two models. Data source. ChatGPT is trained on a dataset of text and code that was collected from the Internet. This dataset includes books, articles, code, and other forms of text. Google Bard, on the other hand, is trained on a dataset that is specifically designed to improve its ability to communicate and generate human-like text. This dataset includes text from books, articles, code, and conversations. Accuracy. ChatGPT is generally more accurate than Google Bard when it comes to generating text that is factually correct. This is because ChatGPT is trained on a dataset that includes a wider variety of text, including factual information. Google Bard, on the other hand, is trained on a dataset that is specifically designed to improve its ability to communicate and generate human-like text. This means that Google Bard is better at generating text that is creative and engaging, but it may not be as accurate as ChatGPT when it comes to generating text that is factually correct. Creativity. Google Bard is generally more creative than ChatGPT when it comes to generating text. This is because Google Bard is trained on a dataset that includes a wider variety of text, including creative text, such as poems, stories, and scripts. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is trained on a dataset that is primarily focused on factual information. This means that ChatGPT is better at generating text that is factual and accurate, but it may not be as creative as Google Bard when it comes to generating text that is engaging and interesting. User interface. Google Bard has a more user-friendly interface than ChatGPT. This is because Google Bard is designed to be used by a wider range of people, including people who are not familiar with LLMs. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is designed for people who are more familiar with LLMs and who are looking for a more powerful and flexible tool. Overall, ChatGPT and Google Bard are both powerful LLMs that can be used for a variety of tasks. However, there are some key differences between the two models. ChatGPT is generally more accurate than Google Bard, while Google Bard is generally more creative. Google Bard also has a more user-friendly interface than ChatGPT. Ultimately, the best LLM for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.